This is fast Angular program. So already I have installed the Angular 9 version. So now I am opening the command prompt. Using the ng version, I am showing the current version in my system. So already I have the Angular 9.1 version. So let's create a project. Before that, I'm create separate folder for this project. Using the created an Angular template. So it takes some time for the create project. Yeah, project was created. Now we are redirecting the folder where the project was created. Using the ng-serve command, we are running the current project. Right now we don't need this. The compilation was starts soon. Yeah, compilation started. It takes few more minutes for the first time. Yeah, the project was compiled successfully. This is a URL. Now we can open the Chrome and just copy paste this path. Yeah, yes, this is the template which was created by ng-new command. Now we need to stop the compilation. So best tool for the Angular editing is VS Code. So here we can open the VS Code using the code dot. This is a folder structure. We can discuss about this later. This is the default code provided by ng. So this is the app name. We can change it. ng-new. Just I'm started the compilation project from the VS Code terminal. So the compilation was success, and I'm again ngserve. Oh, it's automatically open the app from the Chrome instead of copy paste this URL. The compilation was started. Here we go. So we can check the title was updated. Now I'm removing the whatever the code is provided by ng. Just I'm giving the title. So using this process, we can fetch title from the component.ts. So just Control S, this automatically updates. Yeah, that's it for today. Thank you.